Hello everyone, I am Rajni Bhalla, lecturer in Electronics and Communication at SRS Government Polytechnic College, Rishinagar, Ludhiana. I am teaching optical fiber communication to 5th SEM electronics students. I am giving my presentation on chapter 1, that is Introduction to Optical Fiber Communication System. My presentation includes block diagram of optical communication system, its advantages and disadvantages. This is the block diagram of optical fiber communication system. Here information signal is amplified and then given to the line source, which is a transmitter. This light source can be LED or laser, any light source. This source converts electrical signal into optical form, and with the help of line coupler, this light signal is coupled to a optical fiber, which is our transmission channel. Here you see single line indicate electrical signal and double line indicate signal in optical fiber, that is in optical form. Again at the receiver section, this line coupler couples the optical signal to the optical detector, which can be a pin or avalanche diode. This optical detector converts optical signal back into electrical form at the receiver, and this electrical signal is amplified and information signal is received. Here are some advantages of optical fiber communication system. First advantage is enormous bandwidth. In this optical fiber communication system, we obtain very large amount of bandwidth, that is in the range of 10 raised to power 14 Hertz. So large bandwidth means large communication can be obtained. Second advantage is low transmission loss. Here we use doped silica fiber amplifiers, that is optical fibers, which are which achieve lossless transmission. Here by using these type of amplifiers, the loss is 0.002 dB per kilometer. Third point is immunity to crosstalk. Here we know fiber is free from electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. That's why crosstalk is negligible in these cases. Electrical isolation. Optical fibers are made of silica, which is an electrical insulator. That's why this optical fiber provides us electrical isolations. Next is small size and weight. Here size of the fiber ranges from 10 micrometer to 50 micrometer, which is very small, right? And weight is also very negligible. So this advantage make them to use in aircrafts, satellites more specifically. Next point is signal security. The transmitted signal through the fiber does not radiate, unlike copper cables. Here the transmitted signal cannot be drawn from the fiber without tampering it. Thus the optical fiber communication provides 100% signal security. Next is rigidness and flexibility. The optical fibers can be easily bent or twisted without any damage to it. So it is highly flexible and rigid at the same time. We can use it. These are superior to the copper cable in terms of handling, installation, storage, transportation, maintenance, strength and durability. Low cost and availability. Fibers are made of silica, which is available in abundance. No shortage of material, and optical fiber offer the potential for low cost communication. Reliability. The optical fibers are made from the silicon glass, which does not undergo any chemical change or corrosion. It is not affected by any external radiation. So it makes the system highly reliable. Ease of installation. Last point is ease of installation. Increasing transmission capacity of wire cable generally makes them thicker and more rigid. Such thick cables can be difficult to install in existing building, but these optical fibers are lightweight and small in size. That's why these can be installed very easily and at very low cost. These are the advantages of the system. Now we come to the disadvantages of the system. First disadvantage is price. Even though the raw material for the making optical fiber is sand, which is available in abundance and cheap, but still the per meter cost of the fiber is expensive than that of copper. Many more signals can be transmitted to a single copper. Large transmitted signals, large distance can be transmitted, but still price of per meter cable is high in case of optical fiber. Fragility. Fragility simply means breakable. The optical fibers are breakable. These are more fragile than electrical wires or cables that we used previously. Next is affected by chemicals. The glass can be affected by various chemicals including hydrogen gas, which is a problem if we use these cables under the water, right? Next point is opaqueness. Opaqueness is the problem here. As we use the fiber extensively, like in militaries, the fiber become more opaque when it exposed to the radiation. This opaqueness restricts the cable to transmit further signal. So this is the disadvantage. Next is required special skills. Optical fibers cannot be joined together as easily as copper cables, and it requires additional training for a personnel and expensive precision and splicing. Measurement equipments are required. So it become complicated. High noise level. The noise level in optical receiver is very high because of the quantum limited nature of the optical detectors. Not suited for the multi-access use. The optical fiber cables are not directly suited for the multi-access use. We can use components and other devices for make it useful, but still directly it is not suited for multi-access use. That's it. Thanks.